Fix Instagram Reels is not working or not opening on laptop or PC. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So I'll tell you a few steps from which you can solve your problem on PC. Apply the solution on your laptop or PC and your problem should be fixed. So the number one step is make sure you have the latest version of Chrome browser. Update your Chrome browser if necessary. You can just go to your browser itself and then search for Chrome update. Let me show you by using the desktop mode over here. So simply search for Chrome, and if there is an update, get the latest version of Chrome. Go over here, go to About Chrome, then go to Application Version, and if you see any update, simply get the latest version. The next step is you will have to clear your browsing data. So simply tap on this three dot on your top right corner, then simply select delete browsing data of all time. Disable any VPN if you have any enabled, and your problem should be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.